Good morning, everyone. Coming out to the trail rated Honda here. Oh no, a flat tire. I'm gonna have to fix that. All right, step one, hook up air compressor from Harbor Freight. The shiny metal one works really well. But hook it up to the tire and then fill up the tire. So here's the on switch. And then if she starts raising, we're golden. Pressure's going up. Tire is lifting up. Almost full. All right, she's got to my little black mark that I had on there. Now, time to remove the pump and take this car to the shop and find the hole and repair it. All right, my favorite, a Honda Cold Start. All right, got it in the shop. Now I want to pick it up. All right, there's about chest level right there. All right, lug nuts off. Here, get a hammer. When they won't come off, I'll put a lug nut on there loosely and then give her a couple of taps. All right, that worked. Roughnecks love hitting something with the hammer. Yeah. All right, next here's my setup. I got the soupy water, or soapy water as normal people would say. And then got it on the tire machine. And I can spin her around. So I'm gonna give her a little bath. Especially around the seal there. Looking for bubbles to come out. And then I'll just go around the tire like so. Giving it a bath, looking for bubbles. This is how I look for holes in tires. There it is. Next, just mark it so you can find it later. It's coming out right there. Okay, next, we need to remount the hole. Make room for a plug. So, I could just set that right there. And then run that in there. And then I like to go in and out a couple times. All right, now I've made room for the plug. Now here's the plug, and this is the normal tire plug that you get anywhere. These work on the side of the road. The only difference between here and the shop is I got power tools and I got rubber cement on hand. So I've already coated that with rubber cement, and the power tools make it a lot easier. They have the hand reamers, just like so, that you can use on the side of the road if this happens to you. Okay, next I got the plug loaded on the drill, and I'm going to put it in the hole. And run it in. And then pull it out. And there you have it. A repaired tire with a tire plug and rubber cement. Here's how I test it. No bubbles. I've put 100,000 miles on plugs before. So this is my method of repairing tires. All right, there you have it. The easy way to repair a flat tire.